How to check remaining battery charging time on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your Android device, and then you may head over to your settings, tap on it, and after you open up settings, scroll down and go over to the option that says battery and device care. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, here you need to find option called battery. Right now I have 50 minutes until full. All you gotta do is look out for this option, this one right here, and it will say how much time it is remained for your battery to be charged completely. So that is it. It is very easy method you can follow up in order to check your battery. Otherwise, you may also scroll down your notification panel, and here also you should be finding option that says you have this much minute left until your charge is full. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.